So I want you to see this.
So hard to imagine living life without them, yeah. Cause now you're so caught up in the passion, but this shit is beyond compare, yeah. Cause don't it make your heart beat, beat like a drum? You fall hard, but think about how hard you come. So my advice would be, no, don't leave, don't go so easy, no. Just let that argument